Welcome back to the channel. Today marks a historic turning point for the automotive industry as one of the most anticipated and unconventional projects in recent memory finally crosses the finish line. After years of financial hurdles, engineering pivots, and skeptics claiming it would never happen, Aptera Motors has officially announced that the first 5 production intent vehicles have rolled off the assembly line. This is not just a win for the company, but a massive validation for the solar electric vehicle movement as a whole. These first 5 units, designated as PI1 through PI5, represent the culmination of over a decade of persistence and are now undergoing rigorous real-world testing and validation to ensure they meet the high expectations of thousands of reservation holders. For those who have been following the Aptera saga, you know this journey has been anything but smooth. From the company's initial founding and subsequent liquidation over a decade ago, to its triumphant revival by the original founders, the story of Aptera is one of pure resilience. The vehicle itself remains as striking as ever, looking more like a fuselage from a futuristic aircraft than a traditional car. Its 3-wheeled design and ultra-aerodynamic shape allow it to achieve a drag coefficient of just 0.13, making it the most efficient passenger vehicle on the planet. But the real magic lies in the integrated solar panels. Aptera's never-charge technology is designed to harvest enough sunlight to provide up to 40 miles of range per day just by sitting in the sun, which for many drivers means never having to plug into a charging station for their daily commute. The assembly of these first 5 units was made possible through a strategic partnership with CPC Group in Italy, utilizing high-tech carbon fiber composite structures that ensure the vehicle is incredibly light yet exceptionally strong. These production intent vehicles are currently being used to fine-tune the drive system, thermal management, and safety features before the company begins full-scale deliveries to its first 2,000 accelerator program investors. The transition from digital renders to physical road-going machines is a monumental step that silences many doubters who viewed the project as vaporware. Inside the cabin, the Aptera remains a 2-seater focused on minimalism and high-tech integration.
It proves that efficiency does not have to mean a lack of performance, as the top-tier models are expected to hit 60 miles per hour in as little as 3.5 seconds. As these 5 test mules hit the pavement for validation, the company is looking ahead to scaling its production facility in Carlsbad, California. This milestone signals that the era of the solar electric vehicle has truly arrived. It is a bold defiance of the bigger is better trend in the EV market, proving that aerodynamic perfection and solar harvesting can create a sustainable future. We will be keeping a close eye on the performance data from these first 5 units as Aptera prepares to change the way we think about mobility forever.